So what's it going to be? A custom pair of shoes? A new mobile phone case? An artificial tooth? Or a drill with your own brand on it? It's now possible to print all of these things using 3D printers.
Guys, we're Group 5 and we're doing our CIS 115 project over 3D printing. I'm now going to visually show you a 3D printing of an object. This is our 3D printer. It has a base in which you print. It can move in all three axes, up, down, in the plane of the board and out, and along. So this machine puts out a layer of plastic like so. It is then cured with a UV laser and then hardened. The machine then moves this up and prints a second layer of plastic represented by the green. It again is cured by the laser and then moved up, and this continues with layer after layer being added on top of the previous layers until when printing is done, you will have a shape that you designed in the computer. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is the process of adding layers to other existing layers. It was originally designed by Chuck Hull when he worked at 3D Systems Corporation back in 1984.
This is the father of this incredible technology, Chuck Hull. 30 years ago, this American developed the first method that would go on to revolutionize the industry today. 3D printers make it possible to create almost anything, even a miniature bust of the inventor himself.
When I invented 3D printing, I guess over 30 years ago now, I had lots of things in mind for it, but I just couldn't imagine all of the things that happened in almost an industrial revolution.
Chuck Hull had an idea. Let's take photopolymers, lay them down, and cure them with a UV laser. This became known as stereolithography. You add different layers on top of the existing layer to create a 3D printed image that is used in a lot of industries. The industries that are used right now are aerospace, printing lighter parts, engineering, especially electrical engineering, to make casings, automotive, to make lighter automotive parts, and medical, including tissues that can be used for surgeries and sterile equipment.